Hi, I'm Phil Laney with Dalinghaus Construction, and my role at the company is a project consultant, also a foundation specialist. A day-to-day life in Phil Laney as a project consultant is primarily the homeowners or clients would call into Dalinghaus. They would go ahead and provide feedback of problems they're having with their home, and then the call center would assign one of the project consultants to go out and take a look at the project to come up with a solution of any repairs that would need to be done. A lot of the feedback that I get back from homeowners is the time that I take with them and explaining the processes, the procedures, and the whys of why they need foundation work. I pretty much explain to them that I'm not out there to sell them anything. I'm out there to come up with a solution and be part of that solution. Of course, there is a cost to have the house repaired, but my main focus is to come up with the most economical and feasible method where addressing the locations that need to be fixed. It's more like in life I'm proactive, but when it comes to fixing a home, I'm reactive. I react to where the problems are more apparent, and I do a little bit of research on the house in advance to determine the age of the house and take some of that into consideration as far as settlement and taking several measurements to come up with a solution to fix the house. So on a personal side, I'm originally from Florida, born and raised there. I moved out here back when I was 25 as an aerospace engineer. I was recruited out here, and while I was back in Florida, that's where I met my wife. We've been married now for going on, actually it'll be 36 years this year. I've got 2 adult children, and I was blessed last year with 2 grandchildren, my first, 2 boys. One was born on New Year's Day, and the second one was born in November. So I'm looking forward to spending a lot of time with the guys and doing some projects, some fishing, and being a grandpa. But I like they call me Papa versus Grandpa. So when I hear Grandpa, I always think of my dad. So, but yeah, as far as fun fact, like I said, being back from Florida, I'm a huge college football guy and love the Gators, and I root for those guys every year, but please don't hold that against me. If you feel that you have foundation or settlement concerns, feel free to contact our office, and they'll reach out to me and go ahead and assign the job for me to come out and take a look at your property. Once on site, I'll do an evaluation, and in some cases it may be that there's no repairs to be needed, but at least you have the peace of mind that your foundation is still in great shape. If not, and we do find that there's some settlement or some issues that need to be taken care of, then I'll go ahead and put together a proposal and repair diagram for you, and then after that, you can go ahead and review that, and if you have any questions at all, you can certainly give me a call at any time to discuss, and if there's anything else I can assist with, just let me know.